Hey friends, it's Jenna, the artist behind Disorderly Planner Designs. Thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share with your friends. We are Disorderly Planner Designs, and this is our 52-week art workshop. These are some basic tips to help you along the way to turn complex drawings into simple ones. In the following video, I'll explain how I do this. In this next video, I'm creating basic shapes, and if you do this every day, this will help to contribute to muscle memory and efficient and accuracy and cut down on time. I use complex drawings and I start out with basic shapes. I go ahead and I make these shapes on one sheet of paper, and then I just go ahead and connect them without any rhyme or reason, and this will help to inspire your creativity and get the flow going. When I look at larger pictures of a complex drawing, I start first by sketching the basic shapes. If you don't and you try to go from what you see, you're going to end up with something that's not in proportion. So take the item that you would like to draw and break it down. First, I'm going to look at the head and I'm going to draw out the circles, and then from there I'm going to add on the different parts of this bird using rectangles and triangles. I go ahead and I sketch this all with very light pressure. You can do this with a app for an iPad, or if you want, you can do this by hand. Now, if you're sketching by hand, just remember to keep the pressure light and really soft strokes, because we're going to be adding onto this, but this is also going to be having larger and more lines on top, so you want to make sure that you're going to be able to erase this. So as you can see, I'm just layering up here, and as I increase the lines, I go a little bit harder with the pressure of my Apple Pen. Then you want to kind of look at the details. Now, depending on what kind of look you want this to have, you can add your flair of art. So I traditionally like a sketching and a whimsical look, so I went ahead and used a technical pencil here, and I just went over the outlines that I have already created, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the smaller details. This is the final step. By adding these smaller details, it's really going to bring your artwork to life, and it's going to give you your signature look. I kind of like to be a little bit all over the place. I mean, hello, my name is Disorderly Planner Designs, so I'm sticking with this look. It's never done me wrong before. So I'm going to go in here and I'm just basically sketching the feathers to kind of create and add depth to the drawing. Then if you want, you can add some shadows and coloring and things like that. This is really going to bring it to life, and it's going to definitely take your level and improve it. If you do this every day, I promise you that you will see a huge improvement. So I'm going to go ahead and add some color at the end here. I used to have a cockatiel when we were younger, and this reminds me of Gonzo, our cockatiel. So going off of memory and just bringing Gonzo back to life. Rest in peace, little buddy. All right, and so there we have it. That was using basic steps to convert a complex drawing, break it down, and make it your own. So remember, start by scribbling every day. This will help you to build muscle memory and also to get those creative juices flowing from your mind down to your hand before you sit down and sketch. Step 2, use these basic shapes to help create the blueprint to your complex drawing. And finally, don't forget step 3. Use small, finer details with your flair to create depth and bring your work of art to life. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. We would love to see what you're working with. Tag us on Instagram at Disorderly Planner. And until next time, we're signing off. Happy New Year!